We are pleased to show you the 2022 GLB. The Mercedes GLB is a spacious crossover that offers a plethora of technology and luxury features. Smooth acceleration and impeccable handling make this a fun vehicle to get behind the wheel of. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote keyless entry, panorama sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, keyless go, surround view camera, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.